where I must to say this. I say because of people with sitting down that pretend to be. It better than that way a dirty girl frack like me. Sit down and pretend to be nice people and this and that. They go around and they come around and put me into one big banger, and people who don't know me. When I was from the first platform, there was no mix-up like this. I was on the second platform, there was no mix-up. I have been dragged, and as God over my life and my 4 alive kid, my 4 alive, and even the one that is sleeping in the cemetery of Little Duff Cat, I never all an argument and say who and who having problem. No, I could at least go that because I was dragged already, and I would be dragged anyway. Now I'm going to say this. I have known Stacey Campbell from the first platform where I am. Stacey have never gossiped with me. Now I heard that it is said something me no not go say, but something I can bear anything. But some things have to be addressed because I say I am not afraid. But if Stacey and I have different belief, I want we to go our separate ways in peace. I owe Stacey no obligation, neither did Stacey owe me, neither do Stacey owe me no obligation. Now, the only conversation that I have with Valine Williams about Stacey, Valine said to me, Stacey used to follow her page. Stacey does not follow, nor Stacey does not share her out anymore because no other people, because when the woman from Portland was dragging her daughter, Stacey said nothing. There is a lady where I don't like, she don't like me neither, by the name of Sophie Dunkley, called Stacey and said to Stacey, because now this thing is getting out of hand and I will not stay quiet no more. When other people, I don't care if over where me was, over 360 lane, can drag me, because if me never did mix up with them couldn't have dragged me. But me I got talk. See, I'm not supposed to in no problem. No. Valine said, Sophia called Stacey and said, oh, you're not defending Lady V daughter. And Stacey said she not getting involved. She not getting involved. So how no? Valine can say, I allegedly say, and me put up Valine and Stacey. If you no problem. Come now, man. Come uno do. Me a hold this thing, you know. Me a hold it. Me a hold it. Me a hold it. You know the funny thing? The funny thing? Me cause all of what me a go through now. You know why? Do you know why? 360 man never did want to deal with Valine. And me tell him say Valine a good smaddy and put them for talk and I was sacrificed. Everybody there and know when I call over with the Sunday and Dana call me. And Valine, when me say to Valine say she not hear the live, but Valine can say when I was frightened when somebody tell me go draw down the life over YouTube and hear my name I say, me did over there, ready for cuss Dana. And then, Dana, I'm sorry, I have to call your name because I never want to do this. And when me go over Dana, me go over the like lamb. When did that happen? Well, listen, man, don't do it. If the mix up supposed to stay between 4 away, where so much somebody are doing at this 1 week, me can't take it no more. With Stacy Campbell, me and Stacy not supposed to in a nothing. What them ya suck me ya? What is this? All me did do, me no know how much something me name. This here somebody name a call, that there somebody name a call. Me no business, leave it alone. But with Stacy part, me not going to stay quiet with it. And don't draw me out. Because I never know say Valin was Stacy counselor when Chris and Dana slush her. Me never know that. Me never know say Stacy did want to take her life and a Valin talk her out tight. Me no joke. Me no joke. Uno hear 360 man over there. The ball out. All you can hear, Lady V tell him. Where you hear him say me tell him about Lady V. Where you hear Ashanti can say me tell him about Lady V. How me if you make Lady V a Stacy in a problem? And Lady V upset about the woman because the woman not defend her daughter. So how you are going to tell where Ashanti can get that from fair chat? No man, but hey, all about all my son. No, me never come for hey. You see, sometimes you are all about all my son. Because I never put up my son to come out. For social media get for drag me. Valina got tell. Lady V I got tell. I never me tell 360 man say. My son dead. When my son dead, I walk me I get ready for go. I'm say a lie me I tell. Me sit down and talk private.